Hey, how's it going? As you can see here, I got one box of 2017 Bowman's Best. My first time trying Bowman's Best. Usually isn't my thing, but I was looking for something to bust, and seems like a lot of people are into Bowman's Best. Checked out some of the cards, they look pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rip into this. Reach for my box cutter. So you get 4 chrome autographs per master box. So this is a master box with 2 mini packs inside, or mini boxes, but packs. Let's see what we get out of this. Hopefully something cool. Cards look pretty cool, I have to say. Can I do one of these? Yeah, nice. That's cool. Sweet. Alright, let's go ahead and rip into these here. Let's go with the first one. Here's the odds. There's 2 pages of odds there. There's one. About redemptions. Let's hope we don't hit one of those, except I think Bellinger's auto in this is only redemption. So maybe that's a good thing if I hit one. Not sure what other redemptions are in here. But here we go. Wish me luck. So there are 6 packs per mini box. Packs look kind of cool too. Alright, here we go. Wish me luck. Don't know what to expect. Never opened these before. Seen there's a bunch of parallels and stuff like that, and some autos. But yeah, started off with a Goldie. Nice looking card there. Oh, I thought that was an auto right there. Robinson Cano. Here's the backs. Cards look pretty cool overall. So I got a refractor back there. Giancarlo. Ah, nice mirror image. Kevin Macian. Miguel Sano. And thus was refractor there. Adam Hastley in the back. So I guess I'll put this insert on the side. Cool. So we got Adam Hastley. Wait, I just got an Adam Hastley, so there's a dupe already. Thanks, Topps. Rafael Devers, and I saw on the back was a Devers too, so I don't know what's going to happen here. Kenley Jansen, nice. Auto of Trevor Rogers. Interesting auto there. Not numbered. So yeah, I did get a refractor. Rafael Devers. It's cool. Put that aside. Keep going. So there's one auto. Looks like there's 2 per mini box. Got another Kenley Jansen and a Kershaw. A lot of Dodgers so far, yeah. Will Myers. Jake Groom. Dean's List. Francisco Mejia. Neat looking card there. And a refractor of Kenley Jansen. Cool. Put that aside. Another Dodger. Got Kershaw. Looks like another possible refractor there. Wow, I was getting a lot of Dodgers. First time I hit this many Dodgers in any box ever. Tristan McKenzie, Noah Syndergaard. Put this over on this side. Ooh, what's that? Evan White. Oh, nice. Is it best class? Andrew Benintendi, and a Kershaw refractor. That's cool. Best Babe impression. Young red. Huh. Oh, that's not best in class. It's best cuts. Cool. Kershaw refractor. All right, this box has to be sealed off with a Dodgers auto. That would make it awesome for me, not for all of you out there, of course. Jake Lamb, Victor Robles, Joe Adell, Chance Adams auto for the Yankees. It's like another just base auto, and Will Myers refractor. All right, last pack of that first box. Smith, Gail Sano, Reese Hoskins, A-, Baseball America grade. Dustin Pedroia was the atomic refractor, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. That looks atomic to me. Got D-pad and Keston Horia. Ooh yeah, nice. It's a cool looking card. I definitely like the atomic style. And then behind that is a Cespedes refractor. Alright, let's go into box 2 here. Alright, let's see what we get in these last packs here. Last box. Alex Fado. Francisco Lindor. Best cuts. Dylan Cozens. Mirror image Correa and Royce Lewis. Jay Groom refractor. Kopech, Lesky Gurriel, Tyler Glasnow. Ooh, Mitchell White did get a Dodgers auto. Cool. I'm happy with this box. Behind that, Tristan McKenzie refractor. Is that a red refractor or just refractor? Just a refractor. The red is throwing me off there. Nice. So I did get a Dodgers auto. That's pretty unheard of for me. Don't pull them too often over here on the West Coast. Altuve, Springer, Barrios, Tyler O'Neill, and a Syndergaard refractor. Is that a blue? No, I don't see a numbering. So I guess just another base refractor. So we got one more auto coming up. Blake Rutherford, Luke Weaver, looks like we got an atomic, Clark Schmidt, neat looking card there. Like the shiny. Behind that, Manny Machado, number 120 of 250. Very nice looking card there. And Evan White, just refractor. Cool. 2 more packs. Still looking for one last auto. Clark Schmidt. Austin Beck. Willie Adams. Mackenzie Gore from the Padres. Auto. And then Jake Lamb. Refractor there. Cool. Nice. Not a bad box. No big names or anything for the autos. But still cool. Let's get in this last pack here. Nice way to finish it. Corey Seager. Jose De Leon, he was a Dodger. Now he's already pictured in his Tampa Bay Rays. Tony Santillan. Baseball America. Nick Senzel, Best Cuts, and Victor Robles. There you go. Nice on cards, these Bowman's Best. Pretty cool overall. Who knows if I'll try some in the future. Still got a while till first pitch for the season of 2018, so who knows what'll keep me interested as we keep moving along here. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch y'all later. Peace. Thanks for watching this 2-pack break, 1-box break of Bowman's Best. Catch y'all later. Peace.